We're filming this through a camera made by Panasonic called the LUMIX TZ-1. TZ stands for Travel Zoom. But the unique thing about this camera, which was the first in that series and none other has had it since, is that this will allow you to do what is called flip animation. I'll show you how to set it up on the menu. The menu is the same as the set button right there. So you push that button in and it brings your menu up. Now we're going to scroll down through to get to the third page where we see flip animation. Push the arrow key to the right and we want to do picture capture. One more push to the right and it says we have 100 frames that we can shoot. We shoot the frames Raggedy Ann and the world. So now we go back to the menu and we're going to create motion pictures. And if we do it at 5 frames a second, which we'll select, we'll get a longer picture than at 10 frames a second. Go down to create motion, press the right key again, and it's creating the motion picture. So all of the frames that we shot are called keyframes, and the camera puts in the in-between or the tweens. We can view this by twisting the top dial to the view mode and then pressing the go button, which is right down here. Here comes Raggedy Ann down the world. It's pretty neat. And of course we can incorporate that into our movies. Here's a movie starring the TZ-1. Take a bow, TZ-1. I started this at about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Flip animation takes a long time. Watch the process. I move the star. The camera then is fired. And I go back and I make another slight motion of the camera on the tripod. And I do it again. And again, and again, and again. Make a small motion, fire the camera, and make sure everything stays steady. Here's the part where the TZ-1 takes its bow. I adjust the tripod to have it come down just a tiny bit. Notice not much at all. And I come back, snap the shot. Back to the star, the object, and I move it down just a little bit and take another shot. The whole process of doing the movie you just saw took almost an hour. The entire sequence runs for 20 seconds and it took an hour to film it. You've got to have a lot of patience when you do animation.